Hello students, today we are going to start class 2nd lesson number 3. Name of the lesson is The Loving Dog. This lesson has 3 different passages. We will start with first passage. Before starting this passage, all of you open your textbooks. Open. First I will read the passage, then we will go through the explanation. Okay. Monica is scolding her dog Lucky. He is looking at Monica. His red wet tongue is hanging out of his mouth. Monica says, I think the name Chewy suits you better. You chew everything you see. Lucky replies, Woof woof. Monica, you try to chew my homework every day and the notebook becomes wet. Lucky, looking at her face, replies, Woof. Monica says, No, I am angry at you. No, I am angry with you. Monica's mother is smiling. She is wiping Monica's notebook with a dry towel. What do you come to know? Yes, this is the conversation between a small girl and her pup. Students, do you know dogs are habitual to chew everything what they see? What is chew? Eat constantly. All of you know the chewing gum? Yes. So, dogs always do something or other. Monica get angry with this habit of Lucky. She is scolding her dog. Why? Because daily Lucky is chewing her homework notebook and making them wet. Lucky replies with his sound woof 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 woof. He is trying to make her please, but Monica is showing anger to him. Monica's mom is watching this. All these conversation mom is observing and she is smiling. After that, Monica's mom wiping Monica's all the notebooks with a dry towel. This is first passage. Now second passage. In this passage, a mother and daughter conversation is narrated. Anandi and her mother. Anandi is drawing a rainbow. Now she wants to color it. She is looking for her color box. She can't find it. She is trying to remember where she put it. Her mother is helping her. Anandi, I can't find my color box. I want to color this rainbow. Mother says, look for it in your bag. Anandi, it is not in my bag. Mother says, look for it on your table. Anandi, it is not on my table. Mother says, then where is it? Anandi says, now I remember, I put it in Amit's bag. Anandi and her mother are opening Amit's bag. They find 2 color boxes in the bag. They are now taking Anandi's color box out of the bag. In this passage, Anandi and her mother, they are searching the color box. Here, Anandi want to draw a picture and she is searching her color box. Her mother also helping her. They search it in the bag. Mother suggests us to search it in the on the table also. But it is not on the table also. Suddenly, Anandi reminds that she must kept it in the Amit's bag. Amit is her brother. Both of them, Anandi and her mother, search it in Amit's bag. They get it in Amit's bag. Now Anandi is happy. Now, third passage. Mr. Roy is looking for something under the street lamp. Raja sees him and tries to help him. Always you should help others. This is the conversation between Mr. Roy and a small boy, Raja. Raja says, Mr. Roy, what are you looking for? Mr. Roy replies, I am looking for my car keys. Raja asked, do you think they are lying here? Mr. Roy, no, they are lying under the tree. Raja asked, then why are you looking for them here? Mr. Roy, it is very dark under the tree, so I am looking for them under the street lamp. Raja is taking out a torch from his bag. He is now helping Mr. Roy to look for the keys under the tree. In third passage, Mr. Roy is looking for something under the street light. Raja, a small boy, wishing to help him. Mr. Roy is searching his keys under the street light which he had lost under a tree. What a fun! Raja asked why he is searching keys under a lamp. He, means Mr. Roy, replied, under the lamp light is there as under the tree it's dark. It means, see the example. If any function is there in your family, for that you are supposed to go to Hyderabad. But at the bus stop, Aurangabad bus is ready. Will you sit in that bus? No. Correct. Because if you will sit in that bus, you will not be able to attend the program. You will not get your destination. Same way, how Mr. Roy will get the keys under the street lamp as he lost the keys under the tree. So, where should he search? Under the tree. If your maths paper is there and you wrote whole paper, you wrote all the question answers of Marathi in whole paper, what will happen? Will you get the marks? No. Why? Because for proper result, you have to work properly. So students, work hard, read lesson carefully. Thank you.